While creating a database, sometimes it is needed to change some of the parameters in the individual database pages, such as changing the source dynamic data file or the processing parameters. When this is the case, multi-page editor can be used to copy some parameters of a source page to other database pages. Clicking on the button will bring up the multi-page editor menu. First, select the source page to copy the parameters from. This pull-down arrow can be used to select any page defined in the current database. Next, select the pages to be edited. This All Pages option will copy the selected parameters to all the pages in the database. This Start, End Page option will copy the parameters to a range of database pages. This Manual option allows the user to copy parameters to any database pages. The list of manual database pages must be separated by space. This pull-down list stores the previous manual page list, if any. Next, select the type of parameters to be copied. The first option is DD file, which allows a user to change source dynamic data file of the selected pages. The source DD file can be selected by clicking Browse button. If the currently open DD file is the new DD file, click this Grab button. Next, click Change to change the DD file of the selected pages. The new DD file name will be listed in the Test ID column. If the source DD file has been moved to a different folder, this DD folder option can be used to update the DD file page of the selected pages. Click Browse to select a new DD folder. If currently open DD file folder is the new DD file path, click this Grab button. Next, click Change to update the DD file path of the selected pages. Copy from in M2. Spec overlay in M-Write. And copy from in M-Write. All have options to import basket files. Although basket files are to be saved in the same location as Output DB folder, it is possible that the Output DB folder has been changed and therefore a need to update all the basket file path is required. This basket folder option allows the user to change the basket folder for copy from in M2 and M-Write and spec overlay in M-Write at one time. By clicking the Change button, PC Signal will update the selected DB page's existing basket folder with current DB output folder or subfolder. This Single Target Channel option allows a user to change the target channel to the target channel of a source page. Clicking Change button will copy the target channel from page 2 to all pages in the database. The second option, One-to-One, allows a user to set the target channels of the selected pages to a manual list of channels, which can be selected by clicking this menu button. Click OK to confirm the channel selection. Click Change to change the target channels of pages 4 to 10. This time option allows a user to change the start/end time of selected pages. The new start and end time will be based on the source page and they are incremented by the increment value entered here. Click Change to reset the start and end time of the selected pages. The start and end times for pages 4 to 10 are 10-second increments of the source page number 2. Time using PST option allows the user to set start and end time of the selected pages to the PST time. First PST number to be used is set here. Click Change to change start and end time of the selected pages. For page number 4, start and end time is changed to start and end time of PST number 1. Page 5 start and end time of PST number 2, etc. Processing data in PC Signal requires the user to set various processing parameters, such as FFT or data block size, block overlap, etc. Those parameters are set by clicking this Processing Parameter button. This Processing Parameter option will allow the user to copy the processing parameters of a source page to the selected pages. Click to begin copying the processing parameters. This 2D plot setup option allows the user to copy various 2D plot parameters set here. The user can copy any or all of the settings shown here. They include XY range, other main setting, plot size, which includes both pre-plot and post-plot size, plot labels, and multi-line setting, which can also be copied using the 2D plot setup option. For those database pages with M1 set to 3D Win, the user can also copy various settings related to 3D display parameters can be copied from the source page to the selected pages. They include X, Y, and Z range that were set here. Other main settings such as plot format, amplitude, X window setting, and Y window setting, plot size, and plot labels. Click Change button to copy the selected parameters to the selected pages. The last option in the multi-page editor copies menu content of the pre-plot options. On the left menu from the source page to the selected pages, clicking on this pull-down list enables a user to select which left menu option to copy. They include header menu, marker menu, match menu, peak list menu, and trigger menu. Clicking this change button will copy the menu content of the selected option from the source page to the selected pages.